Another weekend, so y'all already know. A few days ago, few weeks ago, whatever, I don't know when this video is going out, but I asked you guys what was y'all thought on the front banners. So that's what we're doing. I had this laying around the house. It's black. I think it'll work. So that's what we're getting into today. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, y'all, on this video. We got a video that hit 1,000 views, and we cooking, y'all. We're cooking. So make sure you're subscribed, and let's jump into this. I'm by myself today. I recommend you doing this with a partner, a friend, someone, because of 4 hands are better than 2 hands. But let's get right into it, y'all. Let's do it. This is what I used to clean the top part already. This is the best window cleaner, in my opinion. If you got any better window cleaner, let me know. Any better window cleaner. Does that make sense? But this is my favorite window cleaner by far, y'all. So here I'm just test fitting. You see how much leftover I have over there. I cut way too long. But I'm gonna go inside the car now and see if I even like it. Because if not, I'll just go inside, y'all. Because it's hot. It is hot. We're gonna open the door. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. It's not even that low. It's not that low, y'all. Maybe I might drop it a little bit and we'll see. But it's not bad. Not bad. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Because there's people doing construction next door to me. But so with this, all this is 1 drop of dish soap, and I'm just gonna make sure the windshield's lubricated, and then I'm gonna spray it on the back of the vinyl so I still could finagle it around, get it the perfect fit, and then we'll just squeegee it all out. But let's get to it, y'all. Now I'm just gonna use the X-Acto knife and the squeegee to tuck up in these corners. I know they don't recommend the X-Acto knife, but that's all I have. So let's get to it, y'all. It don't look bad. It don't look bad. Let's get to it, y'all. Back to the time lapse. Of truth. So I'm gonna peel back this white masking on the top. Sorry for all the noise in the background, and let's see if it got the job done. This is my first time ever doing something like this, so make sure y'all give me a big thumbs up in the chat. I mean, not in the chat, sorry, I'm so used to streaming. In the comment section down below. Thanks a lot, guy with the leaf blower. Sheesh. Problem getting the damn masking off. As soon as I do it, it's like peeling up everything. So I'm struggling on that. I'm gonna give it a few seconds to dry and see if we could save it, but if not, back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. After all that, I ripped it off. Do you see behind me? This is after all that. I started pulling it up, and unfortunately, let's try again, I guess. All right, y'all, so we took off the masking first. Do I recommend this way? Absolutely not. Am I gonna try to do it this way? Absolutely. Just buy the right material. That's the best thing I could tell you. This is not 100% the right material. I was gifted this roll from one of, I don't know who it was, maybe my pops. I think his job had a bunch of them that they were gonna throw away, and I just took it. So yeah, again, just buy the right stuff. You've seen it was easy. It was laid perfectly. Everything was looking good, and then I went crazy and ripped the whole thing off because it started pulling up. So let's try this way, and if not, I'm gonna have to hit up my boy Brandon, aka I Love Graphics, to do it, because sheesh, I like the way it looked. Y'all, I did it. I freaking did it. Let's go, y'all. Shout out to my wife, man. She came out here and said, stop getting so worked up. Stop getting so worked up. Hey, we got it done, y'all. We got it done. Dang, y'all, looks good. Let's go. Shout out to my wife, man, for real. In that corner, that left corner up there, I kind of nicked the vinyl, so it looks a little jacked up. Hey, but for my first time and using what I had, let's go. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comment section, how did I do? How did I do? Man, I've been driving with it for a couple weeks now, and I absolutely love it. I think I did pretty good for the first time ever messing with like a banner, vinyl, whatever you want to call it. I think it came out pretty fire. And if you guys can, make sure to hit that thumbs up, because your boy was struggling in this video. I was struggling. Just make sure to hit a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. And if you want to hang out with us on a daily, all you have to do is hit that link in the description, or search me on Facebook Gaming, UniquegamingFB. Same thing as it is over here on YouTube. And with that being said, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Catch y'all on the next one. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace out, everybody.